It's time to cast your votes for the Season 6 Game of Apps Championships. Voting is open to the public and you may only vote once. First, download the Game of Apps app from either the Apple App Store for iPhone or iPad or from the Google Play Store for Android. When you open the app, tap on Championships and select Season 6. You will then see all the student teams listed. You can go into each team and read the students' individual profiles as well as the team profile. You can also view a video interview of the students talking about their app, explaining how it relates to this season's theme of making a change and why you should vote for their team. Once you've made your selection, you may cast your vote from the Teams page by tapping on Vote. Alternatively, you can also cast your vote from the main page by tapping Vote on the bottom tab bar. Either way, you will need to enter your email address and then wait for a verification code to be sent to your email. Once you receive this code, come back and enter the code here. And then you're all done. While you're in the app, you may also browse through the pitch presentations from previous seasons. And finally, if you would like to join us next season, either as a returning student or as a new student, please go ahead and pre-register from the homepage. Thank you and see you soon.